What's the meaning of Bob Fosse? Bob Fosse. Bob Fosse.
Bob Fosse. Bob Fosse. Bob Fosse was an American dancer, choreographer, and director who had a significant impact on the world of dance and musical theater. His unique style, characterized by sharp movements, turned-in knees, and jazz-inspired steps, set him apart from other choreographers of his time. Fosse was known for his work on iconic productions like Chicago, Cabaret, and All That Jazz, which featured his signature style. Over the course of his career, Fosse earned numerous awards and accolades for his contributions to the performing arts. He died in 1987, but his legacy continues to influence choreographers and dancers around the world.